Metemgee. A main dish from Guyana. Serves 2. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Cover the mixed meat with water and boil for ½ hour. Put saltfish to soak in water. If using fresh fish, this may be fried or placed on top of vegetables about 10 minutes before the end of the cooking time. Step 2. Grate the coconut, pour 1 pint of water over, squeeze well and strain to extract the coconut milk. Pour over the meat. Step 3. Peel the vegetables, then put the meat and vegetables to cook in the coconut milk. Cook until almost tender. Step 4. Put the salt fish with the skin and bones removed, or fresh fish or fried fish on top of vegetables. Add the onion and ochroes. Step 5. Cook until the coconut milk is almost absorbed. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.